Hi there, I'm gonna show you in this video tutorial how to edit the menu items for Nokia 2660 Flip 4G. As usual, we have here one sample. In order to do what we want, I'm going to use FuriouSGOLD box and the SPD service tool. Let's start by going to the diag mode and choosing our model. From here, I'm gonna choose menu matrix config. From here I'm gonna pick my model, and here we have shown all the items which we can enable and disable in our phone. So let's say I want to have enabled only internet, Facebook, radio, contacts, and messaging. I'm gonna press done. Connect. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to simply power off the device, leaving it connected to the USB without pressing any buttons. If everything is good and you have the drivers installed, the phone should be detected, as you can see, and the process starts. So that's it. Now, in order to complete this operation, we need to do a factory reset from the menu or using the code which you can see. So let's wait for the phone to start and make the reset on it. Okay. So, as you can see, we have here contacts, internet, messaging, Facebook, and radio, exactly the items which we enabled on the software. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.